Stop letting dense clouds of greasy smoke, heavy cooking odors, and trapped steam warp your overhead cabinets and smother your kitchen air. Welcome back. If you are a home chef, apartment renter, or DIY renovator seeking to instantly optimize your cooking ventilation while pulling off a sleek, space-saving kitchen layout, the SNDOAS 30-inch under-cabinet convertible range hood, black, is the ultimate utility upgrade of 2026. This isn't a bulky, obtrusive appliance that forces you to completely remodel your layout. It is a slim, space-saving kitchen champion. The absolute showstopper feature of this SNDOAS model is its low-profile 4.7-inch ultra-slim chassis paired with a flexible ductless convertible design. Measuring just $4.69 text inches thick, it mounts cleanly right beneath standard 30-inch upper cabinetry to reclaim maximum vertical cooking space over your range. Equipped with pre-drilled layout ports on both the top and the rear, it can be adapted dynamically to fit whatever structural configuration your home demands. What makes this matte black vent hood an absolute staple for apartments, guest suites, and daily family kitchens is its hassle-free maintenance and balanced, reliable performance. Driven by a dedicated exhaust core that pushes a moderate, highly efficient 230 CFM of airflow, it quickly draws away smoke and airborne particles without generating disruptive, deafening vibrations. For maximum user simplicity, the front of the hood is armed with tactile 2-speed rocker switches that allow you to smoothly toggle between low and high extraction modes depending on whether you are gently simmering a sauce or searing a steak. The integrated, high-efficiency LED lighting module shines a crisp, energy-saving beam directly down onto your pots and pans, ensuring complete visual clarity as you season your dishes. Complete with a 3-layer aluminum mesh filter integrated with a carbon cotton composite layer that traps vaporized oils and washes clean in seconds, it locks commercial-grade durability inside a striking, painted matte black stainless steel package. Click the link below for the best price and breathe easy in your kitchen today. If this breakdown helped you secure the perfect slim, space-saving vent hood upgrade for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the practical, high-value appliances that keep your home running cleanly. See you in the next one.